Thank you for joining me at Eva My Stick Figures Suck. This is our 90% off Target haul. I'm going to just go ahead and get started. We did our shopping, and the first thing you're going to see is some Dayquil, because I am unfortunately suffering from a cold, ear infection, and bronchitis. We went ahead and we were shocked that there was a lot of Easter items still available that were really good. Jolly Rancher, jelly beans, as well as rocks, speckled eggs, and some yummy Jolly Ranchers. And you'll even see right here some Dove white chocolate with carrot cake. Can you not believe that? That sounds so yummy. I just cannot wait to try that. And here you'll see some speckled eggs, robin's eggs, that are also traditional for Easter. Here there was a lot of Lindt. We were really shocked at the name brands that were still available. This is hazelnut with Rice Krispies in it. And next you're going to see some Ghirardelli as well. So we got lucky here, and it was all 90% off. So this is Ghirardelli dark chocolate with sea salt caramel and milk chocolate with caramel bunnies. Yum! Can't wait to try them or share. The other thing you'll notice here is this Rubbermaid lunchbox set is amazing. It was half price, so we got it for $7. We already have one for our toddler. And it just makes life so easy. I'm able to just put his sandwich in one place, put his snacks, and there's a little ice pack with it, so we're able to just go. I just grab everything and go, and we take off. Cafe Bustelo again. Like I mentioned before, we've got some coupons, so they're almost free. Here is the chalkboard. This is one of my Easter hauls, and it started at $3, and it was 30 cents. Yeah, 30 cents. Can you believe that? And I'm not sure what I'm going to use all these things for, but I've got some plans for some DIYs. And here's one of the Easter eggs. That was 50 cents. As well as you'll see the bunny ears right there. That was a chalkboard. Here's a succulent. That was 10 cents. Hooray! It's small, but it's okay. Here are some baskets or wooden boxes. And again, I'm going to use those for some different projects. This little item, I really wasn't sure what it was, but it was 10 cents. Can't beat it for 10 cents. And I'll figure out where to use it, or whether or not my toddler is just going to play with that, because it does look like it's more of a toy. Here's another sign, and it was about $1.15, if I'm not mistaken. It was $1.50. These bags were 20 cents. I just thought they were so cute, and they can be used year round as well, or at least in the spring. Here are more of those tea towels. I just think they're so great. They're great for gift giving, and they work out so perfectly. They were $1. They were down to 10 cents. And here are some liners. They were 50 cents. And they're perfect for some of the projects I've got coming up, because I'm going to use those liners in the bags that I plan on making. And next you're going to see as well some different little baskets. That is actually a metal basket, not too bad. I'm going to probably paint that for a project. And here's some nice wooden baskets that I got, and they were all about 80 cents because they were starting off at $8. And next you're going to see some additional strawberry style baskets. That one has a little broken spot, but it was okay. It was 10 cents. So I went ahead and got some more of those as well. And here, if you'll notice, there are some cute embroidered monogram names. Initials. Goodness gracious, I'm just losing my mind as well as my voice. I got a good number of those for some family and friends, and I don't know how and when I'm going to give them out, but I know people are going to really like those. They're really cute, and they're really detailed. That was the cool thing. Like I mentioned, we did some other shopping, and I just want to go ahead and talk about that quickly, just to tell you about one or two of the other things that you can sometimes find at Target and other stores, whether you're looking for it or whether you're not. That's why we like shopping and doing a good job of preparing. So it was time for TP. We knew we were going to buy Scott. No one else had it on sale, but Target actually had it on clearance, 24 rolls for $14.44. Let me show you in more detail what actually happened. Target actually had a 15% off cartwheel deal, as well as we had a $1 off coupon, which brought our Scott down to $10.29 for 24 rolls. And the second pack that we bought was $10.30. Our total was, like I said, $52, but that was because we bought Rubbermaid. We bought some chicken breasts. We bought a few other things, some Eggos, and my cough syrup. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this, visit us on Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and we post videos weekly. Bye-bye.